Have you been struggling with Wi-Fi problems on your Samsung phone, seeing the message connection failed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through some easy solutions to help you fix the Wi-Fi connection issue on your device. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. First, open your settings. Next, scroll down to bottom of the menu. Tap on Developer option. Scroll down once more. Find the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Finally, toggle it on. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Begin by going to Settings again. Next, tap on Connections. Then, tap Wi-Fi. Tap on Settings icon next to your Wi-Fi network name. Select Forget at the bottom right corner. Tap on your Wi-Fi network name again. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure Auto Reconnect is enabled. Tap Connect. Finally, attempt to reconnect your Wi-Fi network and see if the issue is resolved. If you still face the same issue, don't worry. Let's try another approach. Solution 3. Enable the Nearby Device Scanner. Start by opening your settings. Then, tap on Connections. Scroll down a bit. Tap on More Connection Settings. Finally, toggle on Nearby Device Scanning. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Head back to Settings. Scroll down the menu. Then, tap on Software Update. Tap Download and Install. If any updates are available, go ahead and install them. Solution 5. Reset Wi-Fi settings. Return to Settings. Scroll down through the menu. Tap General Management. Scroll down again. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset Settings. Wait for a moment and then test your connection. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix your Wi-Fi connection issue. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for following along.